Yes, I agree with you. Let's have some drinks? Yes, let's go. Why this water is not good? Because the dose man is broken. That's why it doesn't close properly. Oh. So, what's the problem if the water is not being cold? If the dose magnet broken, all the cold air escape. That's why this water is not cold. Oh, I see. So, how it works? Let me explain to you.
Before I explain to you how the magnet works, I want to show you the overview of the fridge and the main components. This is a refrigerator. On this refrigerator door, it uses magnet to stay closed tightly. The main part of this device include the outer door panel, the inner lining, the rubber gasket, and the magnetic strip inside the gasket. These components works together to keep the door closed and maintain the cool temperature inside the fridge.
Now, we will explain how magnetism is used in the refrigerator door, specifically through the magnetic strip found inside the door seal. At the edge of the fridge door, there is a rubber gasket, that is the soft part that touch the fridge when the door closes. Inside this rubber gasket, there is a flexible permanent magnet. This magnet is made from ferrite powder mixed with rubber, which make it bendable and perfect for sealing around the door. The magnet is magnetized with alternating north and south poles along its length. This special pattern increase the magnetic strength on the side facing the fridge body, which is made of metal. When the fridge door is pushed shut, the magnets pull the door tightly towards the metal frame. This creates a strong airtight seal, keeping cool air inside and warm air out. This helps to maintain the correct temperature inside the fridge, save electricity and keeps food fresh for longer.
Magnets play a very important role in fridge. Inside the fridge door seal, there is a magnetic strip that helps keep the door tightly closed. This is important because it prevents cold air from escaping and keeps warm air from entering. That way, the fridge can keep food fresh and save electricity. Let's take a look at what are the importance of magnet in a fridge. First of all, airtight seal. The magnetic gasket ensures the door stays tightly closed, creating an airtight seal that prevents warm air from escaping.
Why this water is not good?
Without magnet in fridge door seal, the door will not close securely on its own. This will allow cold air to escape and warm air to enter, leading to higher energy consumption, reduced cooling efficiency, and faster food spoilage.
Because the dose man is broken. That's why it doesn't close properly. Oh.
The second one is energy efficiency. By maintaining proper seal, the magnet reduces the workload on the compressor, conserving energy and lowering electricity costs. The third one is food preservation. The tight seal keeps the internal temperature stable, which is vital for keeping food fresh and safe to eat. The last one is safety and convenience. The magnetic closure is quiet, automatic, and easy to open, eliminating the need mechanical latches while still ensuring the door stays securely shut.
How are magnets in refrigerators used in real life, and why are they important? In restaurants and supermarkets, magnets help seal large refrigerators and walk-in freezers. This ensures food stays at a safe temperature and prevents energy from being wasted. It also helps businesses save on electricity costs. In the medical field, refrigerators with magnetic seals are used to store important items like vaccine, blood, and medicines. The magnets help maintain steady temperature, which is very important for protecting these sensitive supplies. New magnetic refrigeration technology is being developed as a cleaner alternative to traditional systems. It doesn't use harmful gases and help reduce energy use, which is better for the environment and supports a more sustainable future.
Do you get it? Yes, now I understand how the magnets on fridge works. So I think that I don't want to buy this.